Hello everyone, today we're going to take apart a Brother toner cartridge. This one is a TN2510XL cartridge. It came out of a Brother printer. Most people never get to see the inside of a toner cartridge. They just fit a new one and throw the old one away. So today we're going to find out what is hidden inside this plastic box. Now, a lot of people call this ink, but technically it isn't ink at all. Inside is a very fine powder called toner. Unlike an inkjet printer, there is no liquid inside. Everything is done with this very fine black powder. So let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is removing the screws. Once the screws are out, the side covers can be removed. After that, we can start looking at the mechanism inside. For this job, I'm only using a few simple tools. A large flat blade screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. No specialist tools are needed. As the side cover comes off, you can start to see the gears, or cogs as many people call them. There are actually quite a few of them, more than you might expect. Each one has a job to do. They help drive the rollers and move the toner through the cartridge while it is printing. As I remove the gears, it's worth paying attention to where they came from. If somebody was planning to rebuild the cartridge, they would need to know exactly where everything fits. I'm not planning to rebuild this one, but it's still interesting to see how it all works. With the gears removed, we can start looking at the rollers. Some of the rollers are held in place by small circlips. These are removed with a small flat blade screwdriver. They can be carefully lifted off and put to one side. Once the circlips are removed, the rollers can slide out, and this is where things become a little messy. When I removed the rollers, quite a lot of toner powder came out. To be honest, that surprised me. The cartridge had stopped working properly, so I assumed it had run out of toner, but clearly that wasn't the case. There was still quite a lot of toner powder left inside, which suggests there may have been another fault, or another reason why the cartridge was no longer working correctly. If you ever decide to do this yourself, it's probably a good idea to wear gloves, and work somewhere that can be cleaned easily afterwards. This toner powder is extremely fine. Once it gets onto a surface, it has a habit of getting everywhere. As more parts are removed, we can start to see the inside of the cartridge more clearly. There are rollers, there are gears, there are circlips, and there are various molded plastic parts, all working together, all hidden away inside something that most people never think about. It's quite surprising, really. From the outside, it just looks like a simple plastic cartridge, but inside, there's quite a bit of engineering. Every part has a purpose, every roller, every gear, every guide, everything is there for a reason. As the dismantling continues, more and more of the mechanism is revealed, until eventually, the cartridge is completely stripped down. At this point, all of the major components have been removed and laid out so you can see them clearly. It's a good way of understanding how the cartridge is built and how all the pieces work together. As I said earlier, I'm not putting this one back together. The aim of this video is simply to show you what's inside, and hopefully satisfy the curiosity of anyone who has ever wondered what is actually hidden inside a laser printer toner cartridge. So there we are, the Brother TN2510XL Toner Cartridge, completely dismantled. If you found the video interesting, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more teardowns, repairs, and technical investigations, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.